Namaste. Fifth house is the most significant house in your horoscope. And so, what happens when the Rahu falls in the fifth house? I have shared certain details in this podcast. So, let's begin. Rahu in fifth house is a very creative person. Such a person does well in creative fields such as cinema, drama, news media, medical surgery, or even in politics. Julia Roberts, the famous Hollywood actress, is born with this placement. The subtle desire of this Rahu is to shine as the most talented and intelligent person. They just love to showcase their intelligence. Many scholars and pundits are born with this placement. A student with this placement is generally found to be an intelligent, bright student. This is a good placement for politicians. Rahu in fifth gives a certain artistic talent, and so many great artists, actors, and drama artists are born with this placement. One specific trademark of Rahu in fifth is that such a person often goes through multiple love affairs. It is as if without having a love affair, they feel a certain emptiness in their life, and so they are always in search of love. They cannot stay single for long. They always need someone to mingle with. Now it is a different story that this mingling costs them heavily in life, because it brings along much dramatic events in their life which they had never thought of. One good thing about Rahu in fifth house is that the person is good at learning. In fact, they like to learn. They always like to learn something new every day. They are good learners, and maybe that is what makes them great doctors and engineers. Always remember, a cheap person always comments negatively, and such a person is never able to learn anything because his or her focus is always on the negative side. On this public forum, there are many cheap people who comment, and I don't even look at their comment because I know that these people are going to suffer a lot in their life. Their comment shows how cheap they are. Remember, your comment exposes you. You become naked when you comment because every word of your comment is being noted, and that is what makes a difference. A good learner always focuses on learning. If he doesn't like something, he will move on, but he will never comment negatively because he is not a cheap person. These natives aims at becoming a topper in university. They want to earn a gold medal. They want to shine as the most intelligent and bright student of the year. And if this Rahu is powerful and the horoscope is of good quality, then such a Rahu always helps the native to win competitions and earn good grades in examinations. Be aware when you are competing with a native having Rahu in fifth house, because these fellows are too good at playing games, and many even become great sport athletics with this placement. Overall, Rahu in fifth is a high voltage placement filled with a lot of romance, studies, adventures, and the urge of being recognized as the most intelligent scholarly person. A girlfriend having Rahu in fifth will never bore you because she has many stories to share with you. And so does a boyfriend having Rahu in fifth. These are good entertainers, and many even become leaders in entertainment business. J.K. Rowling The author of Harry Potter has this placement. This Rahu placement gives an inclination towards writing because writing is also an art. Barack Obama has this placement, and before becoming the president of US, he had authored a wonderful book titled Audacity of Hope, which became a bestseller. Obama has his Rahu in the 5th house. Philosophy is one major interest and many attain doctorate in philosophy. Jiddu Krishnamurti was a philosopher, speaker and writer. He had a Rahu in 5th house. Overall, this placement of Rahu, though is quite dramatic in the matters of relationships or love affairs, still this Rahu gives the potential to learn complex subjects, as well as this Rahu enables the native to win competitions and elections. It is a positive placement for politicians. Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi also has this placement. The remedy for Rahu in 5th house is to recite or listen to Atharva Shirsha every day. Chant the holy mantra Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha for 20 minutes every morning and evening, and feed stray dogs every Sunday with homemade good quality fresh food, or you may also provide them with dog food available in pet stores, whatever is convenient for you. But feed stray dogs every Sunday. In my next video, I will talk more on Rahu in 6th house. You all stay blessed and remember to meditate every day. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.